That's WRC. Get used to it.
I tried to put something now fast, but
Al tiro. ¿Quieres que te devuelva la jeta? No, ya. Ah, entonces. ¿Qué te lo tengo ahí?
Like the good tires what I had, they look quite good. But the bad, a bit badder ones are really bad. But I feel that
I'm not a good mechanic, my friend.
Well done. But still good practice.
Hey, congratulations.
That's WRC. Get used to it. It's normal.
I think will be my first and last time.
Ah, don't worry. That's normal. I've done it million times.
And just happened here 10 meters before enter.
It's always like this.
Espera, déjame. No, no.
Where? Where is it? Where is it?
yeah, no. Okay, yeah. I thought so.
Under the driver's seat. Under the driver's seat. No, I don't know where it's mine, but under the driver's seat you say.
Y una linga.
Left hand. So, just out. No, not there. The left hand side of camera box. Outside, so, no. Driver, under driver's seat you say, yeah? It's a carbon box, there needs to be a carbon box.
Carbon box.
Carbon box. Do I need to take this foam out?
One of these ones.
Found it. Yeah. Se nos quebra acá, bola.
acá.
Sí, ahí le pone.
Pull the tubes off. Pull these brake tubes off.
Huh?
Pull these off away. You can see them better.
Is it ready to jump?
Not too difficult, I think.
Which tool? You know the number?
No? Yeah, 10 minutes more, I think they will.
Quite the same.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Lucho, lo mismo. Si
Yeah, but you still try. Just whatever you go, just fix it still and drive it. Just fix it.
¿Podía o no? Is the left up?
Left is up, yeah.
Left.
This side is up. Yes, exactly. Just break this. Break this. Yeah. More. Complete, break it.
Yes, it's a shame because in the road section was working perfect the car. We make a small adjustments after the stage and everything's okay. We stopped there to double check and we passed the washer to wash the car wash and destroy the wheel and we didn't have time to change. That's the thing. And to be honest, I need to prepare more, you know. Everything arrived so fast, I didn't know where was the tools of the cars. And okay, it's about that. It's my first experience in this car, but it's good, you know. At least we arrived to the park, no problems. The car is like that. Today I make quite a lot of mistakes because I was not even in the road, and sometimes I make some mistakes. I spin a lot, but it's good. It's part of the learning. But I'm happy because in the morning we have quite clean runs and we make one split. We was the fastest of all category in the last split of the first stage in the morning. Then I have that for my memory and happy about it. And nothing. Tomorrow it's really easy to fix the car. The guys will make in 10 minutes and tomorrow we'll continue.